Welcome to my channel. Today we will see names of animals in German. So in today's video we will see some 21 names of animals. So we will start. Now first one is dog. Dog is called as Hund, H-U-N-D, Hund. Then comes cat. Cat is Katze, K-A-T-Z-E, Katze. Then alligator is called as alligator. Though the spelling is exactly same as in English, but the pronunciation will be alligator because German is a phonetic language. How we write, that way we have to speak or we have to pronounce. Now bear. Bear is called as Tragen. Chicken. Chicken is Huhn, H-U-H-N, Huhn. Then comes chick. Chick is Kuchen, K-U, U with umlaut, K-E-N, Kuchen. Then comes deer. Deer is Reh, R-E-H, Reh. Donkey is Esel. Elephant is Elephant, very much similar to English. Giraffe is called as Giraffe. Though the spelling is same, the pronunciation will be Giraffe. Then horse is Pferd. Monkey is Affe, A-F-F-E, Affe. Then comes mouse. Mouse is mouse only. Now here the spelling is different. It is M-A-U-S, mouse. But the pronunciation is same. Then pig is Schwein. Then rabbit is Kaninchen. Little bit different. Then comes snake. Snake is Schlange. Tiger is tiger. Again the same thing. The spelling is same but the pronunciation will be tiger. Then zebra, it is zebra. Because Z is pronounced as how we mix the two letters T and S. How it sounds. That way we have to pronounce Z. It is like T and S. So, then sheep. Sheep is Schaf, S-C-H-A-F, Schaf. Goat is Ziege. Again the same thing. We have to pronounce it as so. And then comes lion. Lion is called as Löwe, L-O-O with umlaut, W-E. So these are the few animals, like 21 animals we have seen in today's video. So that's all for today, friends. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.